Hello viewer, it's a shape we are using. The design here. Add a paint again. Let's make another shape. So here we are. I will take a design. Add different structure here. So let's create the further shapes. Keep using the shapes here. Again we will choose the designs. So there it is. It's a design and shapes here. We will find